Hello friends, welcome to today's video. I was looking through my playlist the other day, just trying to figure out what I wanted to make, and it has been a hot minute since I pulled this beautiful mold out. This is from Let's Resin, and it is a planchette mold, as you can see, and it also comes with the spot for the clear like glass that you insert into it once it's complete. So I am excited to play with this mold again. Pretty sure I'm going to do kind of the same technique as I did last time, where I'm going to paint the mold with mica powders. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what I'm going to do. I might end up actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I have some metallic alcohol inks. I'm wondering if I could paint, I know that typically these are hydrophobic, but I'm wondering if it will take to me painting like the crystals with the silver or the gold alcohol ink, and then go from there. I'm wondering if that will work. I'm gonna try it. Why the hell not? We're gonna try it. So I guess just watch the video and you'll know what ends up happening, okay? Alright, let's jump into it, guys. Alright friends, so these are cured. I forgot to set aside some clear resin for the glass parts that go into these. I did have a little bit of extra from another project I'm working on, so I managed to pour that. And then this one, I just decided to try the UV resin from Total Boat. We'll see how it turned out. I poured this one in layers, hoping that it wouldn't warp too much, but I can see on the back that it did kind of bubble up a little bit on the back. But as long as it fits in here, you're not going to see it unless you turn it over. So anyway, let's do this. So for this one, I did not end up painting it. I didn't add anything to it. Mostly because I just didn't want to. And I wanted to see how it would look without any embellishments. And then possibly go back in and fill in like the eyes and stuff. And maybe paint on the crystals. But it's very, very pretty looking. So I went with a sapphire blue resin paste for these. Okay, so this is the one that I painted the silver and gold. I'm nervous. I don't want to look. It's going to look awful. Oh, okay. Actually, it doesn't look that bad. Not quite what I was going for. I also missed a whole ass crystal right here. I don't know how that happened. And some of the alcohol ink came off of there. But I wonder if I could just use, you know, a paintbrush and fill in the pieces that I missed, like that, and then the parts where it came off, like right here. I don't know. Anyway, so there's those. And then let's demold these. So I'll demold the one that's like regular resin first. And it fits right in there. And then you can use glue. I'm just going to use my UV resin to secure these in. So there's one. And then let's see how bad this one looks. Okay, it's not terrible. It's not the best. I'm going to have to cure it for a little bit longer because it is still a little bit sticky on the top. But yeah, that doesn't look terrible at all. You can still see through it pretty easily. So yeah, I don't know. I still really, really love this mold. I think it's probably one of my favorite molds. And I just never play with it. I don't know why. Anyway, so that is today's video. Be sure to stick around for the glamour shots. I plan to, like I said, clean up some of the mess and then attach these with UV resin. And yeah, that's today's video. If you enjoyed it, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you all so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.